Hey everyone, it's Glenn with Parks, Beaches, and Drives. I'm at Indian Wells State Park in Shelton, Connecticut. We're going to take a ride through in the van and do a little filming, maybe get out and take a walk. I just pulled into the entrance of Indian Wells State Park. I'm filming handheld with my phone today. I just ordered a GoPro for the dashboard, so in the future we'll be doing some road trips, filming the drives also. But we're just going to do a quick ride through handheld with the phone and see what we get. It's before Memorial Day, so it's still free to get in. I think it's free for residents. Non-residents have to pay. So they got a nice boat launch here, pretty much brand new. It's a good river for fishing. There's a lot of different kinds of fish you can catch here. Anything from trout, bass, carp. And they got a pretty modern and large parking area for the boat trailers. They have a nice sandy beach here. There's a pavilion farther down. They have nice clean restrooms, plenty of fireplaces for barbecues. You can go swimming here, fishing. It's on what's called Lake Housatonic, which starts up at Stevenson Dam and then ends at the Shelton Derby Dam. Everything in between is called Lake Housatonic. Above Stevenson Dam is Lake Zor, and then below the Shelton Derby Dam is just the Housatonic River that empties into Long Island Sound. So I've been mostly filming on foot, and part of the thing is filming the scenic drives in the upcoming future. As soon as I get my GoPro, I'll be doing that. There are plenty of picnic tables here, although this place does get filled up during the summertime. It gets packed. So we're coming on a weekend, get here early. In the weekdays, early morning or evenings are probably the best time. This is the pavilion area. I think I'll jump out, take a walk around there. And you could also come here and tie off your boat on the shoreline and then picnic from your boat instead of your car if you'd like. I'll go up to this last parking area, turn around, I'll hop out and film that pavilion area and get a better view of the river. Then we'll finish up with the drive out. And I did a short video of the Indian Well, which is located across the street, and you have to hike up to it in the woods. I did a short video of that today. So we'll just pull in over here, get parked, and do a quick video of the pavilion and the river. Just a short view of the tree stump here, doing some profiling. And all these wildflowers growing. And this is the picnic area around the pavilion. Right on the river. Pavilion has a fireplace, picnic tables. Be a nice place to have a picnic or some type of function, birthday party, whatever. And I imagine you can catch fish out of the river and cook them right here if you wanted to. We'll take a quick walk through the pavilion and get a shot of the river. We'll jump back in the van and move on to the next. It's the fireplace. Like I said, it's before Memorial Day, so they're not really open for business yet. This place will be extremely busy come Memorial Day. Nice spot here, picnic table in the shade. You have all these little fireplaces. And you can literally fish right from here. Again, this is Lake Housatonic, part of the Housatonic River, located between the Shelton Derby Dam and Stevenson Dam. And that's Route 34 on the other side. I came in on 110 on this side. Another shot of the pavilion. We'll take a quick walk around this way, show you the sandy beach, and I'll head back to the van. I'm not going to walk all the way down to the beach. There's a lot of people down there. I'll film it from here and come back another time when it's not so crowded. I like to come up here in the evenings around sunset. Pretty much have the whole place to yourself. There's the bathhouses. They're actually really nice. They did a nice job on those. And then down there through the trees is the sandy beach. I'll get a little closer and then I'm going to head back to the van. So in the summertime, when this is open for swimming, that beach is packed. If you come here, I hope you like crowds. Alright, I'm back in the van. I'm going to take a ride back down to the boat ramp. I'm going to sit there and have some coffee and a snack, and then I'm going to move on to the next location. There's the old pavilion area. Plenty of parking here, and this place is pretty much open year round. It's great off season. You get the whole place to yourself. Bathhouse. More big parking areas, and that's the sandy beach area right there. guess this whole grass field is additional parking. And there's a lot of boats on this river in the summertime. It's a great place to go boating, canoeing, kayaking, water skiing, fishing. And here's another shot of the boat ramp. And I'm gonna have my coffee now. Here's all the rules and regulations. I guess they have walleye in here too. Those have become popular in this area recently. Take a quick walk out on the dock. Again, this is a nice, pretty modern boat ramp. And there's good fishing all through here. You could throw a line in anywhere around here and catch something. Another shot of the cottages across the river. Again, that's Route 34 on the east side, and I came in on 110 in Shelton on the west side. I pretty much finished my coffee and gonna head out, film the road, the drive out to the road, and then shut it down. People taking a walk with their dog. And these old railroad tracks don't run anymore. Thought it'd be a good idea if they made a scenic railroad out of it. And I hope they do that. It's a nice ride along the river. All right, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Parks, Beaches, and Drives. Have a good one.